Split us with mountains, with continents of grassland, with rivers, with time. Split us with hours and aching, with months that hurt in ways we couldn't imagine. Split us with whispers and sorrow, with a weight that buries every seed of our hope. Split us with the shadow and storm, with tumult and the confusion born from unheld hands and unheard laughter. Split us and watch us return, heal like a wound given hours and the aching. Watch us grow like sprouts from buried seeds, triumphant, though sunless. Watch us find home across mountains, across continents of grassland, over rivers, over time.